Dear students, let us see some more problems on binary operation. First problem, find whether the following are binary operations. First one, on z plus set of all positive integers, a star b equal to a minus b. Find whether this star is a binary operation on set of all positive integers. Clearly it is no, because if it is not a binary operation, just you can give an example. Let a equal to 3, b equal to 7, a minus b is a minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4 does not belongs to z plus. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Second one, z plus on z plus a star b equal to ab. Here must not give any example, because under multiplication z plus or star is a binary operation. So, a star b equal to ab belongs to z plus for all a comma b belongs to z plus. Product is always an integer. Whatever may be the positive integer you take, product of those two numbers is once again in the same set. Therefore, star is binary operation on z plus. Third one, on z plus a star b equal to mod a minus b. Mod a minus b. Only the problem is a minus b is a negative in this case. See, that is why star is not binary operation. But if we take the modulus of that, it is once again integer. Therefore, a star b equal to mod a minus b belongs to z plus for all a comma b belongs to z plus. Problem is, if you take a and b are equal, then it is a minus b. 0 does not belong to this set. 0 is not there in the set. Therefore, except for a equal to b, a star b equal to mod a minus b, if it is negative, modulus will be there in the same set. But if you take a and b are equal, this will be 0. 0 does not belong to the set. Therefore, except for a equal to b, this one. So, star is not a binary operation. Even though it is positive, star is not a binary operation. Again, last example is z plus a star b equal to a. A star b equal to a. Can you say this one is a binary operation? A star b equal to a, whatever may be the integer you take, it is assigned to a itself. Clearly, star is a binary operation. Whenever you take A, whatever may be the next integer, you have to assign it to the number A. Therefore, it is clearly binary operation. This belongs to the set Z plus. Is a binary operation. Second problem is find whether commutative, associative properties are satisfied by the following. By the following. First one, on Z, A star B equal to AB plus 1. On Z, A star B equal to AB plus 1. Note the change here. It is a set of rational numbers. Right. Now, you have to do whether the given binary operation is commutative or associative. Commutative means find out A star B. It is AB plus 1. Since it is in the rational number set, no problem, you can take BA. Commutative property satisfied in a rational number. So if you interchange the two rational number, there will be no change. They are equal, plus 1. But this is B star A. A star B, if it is equal to B star A, star is commutative. Therefore, star is commutative. What about associative? Whether it satisfies commutative as well as associative. Associative means combine first two numbers, then combine the third one. It should be equal to combine second and third first, then first one later. They should be equal. Anyway, A star B star C equal to A star B is AB plus 1. Star C, A star B is AB plus 1. So AB plus 1 star C. Or it is AB plus 1 C plus 1. Remember, A star B means their product plus 1. AB plus 1 star C means their product plus 1. Or it is AB C plus C plus 1. Now, obtain this one, A star B star C. Combining second and third first, then first one. A star BC plus 1. Combining two number means their product plus 1. Now it is A BC plus 1 plus 1. Again product plus 1. Equal to ABC plus A plus 1. Remember, these two are not equal. ABC plus C plus 1, ABC plus A plus 1. Therefore, A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, associative property is not satisfied. Find which of the properties, commutative, associative. Commutative is clearly satisfied, but associative property is not satisfied. Second problem, you see, on Q, again a set of rational numbers, A star B equal to AB by 2. Whether this one is commutative or associative. A star B equal to AB by 2, which can be written as a BA by 2, because commutative property is satisfied in Q. But BA divided by 2 is B star A. Therefore, A star B is clearly equal to B star A. Commutative property holds. Commutative property is satisfied. Next, verify whether it is associative. A star B star C equal to A star B star C equal to AB by 2 star C, or it is AB by 2 C again by 2. Note here, A star B means product divided by 2. AB by 2 star C means a product divided by 2, or it becomes ABC by 4. Again, A star B star C is A star BC by 2, product divided by 2, or it is ABC divided by 2 by 2, ABC by 4. These two are equal. Clearly, A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is associative. Third example. In Z plus. Example third. In Z plus. A star B equal to 2 to the power AB. Z plus. Positive integers. A star B equal to 2 to the power AB. A star B equal to 2 to the power AB. Okay. 2 to the power BA, no doubt you can write commutative, you can use commutative property in Z plus. Because in Z plus, AB equal to BA, commutative property holds. But 2 to the power BA means it is a B star A. B star A. Therefore, A star B equal to B star A implies star is commutative. Next, associative. A star B star C equal to A star B star C equal to 2 to the power AB star C equal to 2 to the power A star B means 2 to the power AB. 2 to the power AB star C means 2 to the power AB into C. Remember, whatever may be two numbers, you have to write 2 to the power product. Whatever two numbers, you have to write 2 to the power product of this. 2 to the power AB, C. Next, find out this. A star 2 to the power BC or 2 to the power A 2 to the power BC. But remember, these two are not equal. A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Next example is in fourth one. In Q, this one, A star B equal to A square plus B square. A star B equal to A square plus B square, or no doubt you can write B square plus A square, which is nothing but B star A. So, star is commutative, no doubt. A star B star C equal to A square plus B square star C. A star B means adding squares of both number. This one star C means adding squares of both number. Square of this, square of this. Whatever number here you have to square it, see. A star B means A square plus B square. So if it is A square plus B square, square it. Or it is actually A to the power 4, B to the power 4 plus 2A square B square plus C square. Now, A star B star C. A star B square plus C square. Star means adding the squares of both the numbers. A square plus B square plus C square whole square. Here you get entirely different number. See? C to the power 4, 2B square C square. These two are not equal. Here A to the power 4 is A square. So, A star B star C is not at all equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Problem number 5th one. In Q, A plus AB, 5th one. In rational number set, A star B equal to A plus AB. First find whether it is commutative. A star B equal to A plus AB. B star A equal to first one as it is plus second one product. First one as it is, second one product BA. But remember, AB is common, but A and B are different. So these two are not equal. Commutative property itself is not satisfied. B star A. Star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Right? Next, 5th one. Last one. In Q, this one is just commutative. Sorry, this one is not over. A star B star C, associative. Associative property. Commutative is not satisfied. Whether this associative property is satisfied. A star B is A plus AB star C. Writing the first element as it is, next one is product. Writing the first element as it is, next one is product. Or it is A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. AC plus ABC. A star B star C is A star, first one as it is, next is a product of two number. B star C means the first one as it is, next product. First one as it is, next one is a product of two number. Yes, removing this star also. So you get A plus AB plus ABC. A plus first one as it is a product of other two, entirely different. A plus ABC, ABC, AC is not there. Therefore, star is not associative. And the last one is in Q, A star B equal to in Q, A star B equal to AB by 4. AB divided by 4. Mostly we did AB divided by 2, just similar to that one. A star B equal to AB by 4 equal to BA by 4, because the product is commutative in set of rational numbers. So AB can be written as BA. But BA by 4 is nothing but B star A. So A star B is clearly equal to B star A. Star is commutative. Associative. A star B star C equal to A star B star C equal to product by 4 BC by 4. Again product by 4 by 4, or it is ABC by 16. A star B star C equal to AB by 4 star C, or ABC by 4 by 4. No doubt they are equal. Star means product by 4. So here again star, product divided by 4. A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Star is associative. Star is associative. Just to find whether commutative and associative properties are satisfied. Next, problem number second. A star B is, see this one, A star B is A B, means it is actually minimum of A and B. Minimum of A and B. A is given to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Find whether this star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Binary operation means A star B must be element of the same set, A itself. Better draw a chart for this. Binary operation star. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just draw a chart, table. Now binary operation is minimum of this, A minimum B. 1 itself. 1 and 1, which is the minimum? 1. 1 and 2, minimum is 1. 1 and 3, minimum is 1. 1. 2 and 1, minimum 1. 3 and 1, minimum 1. Here also 1. Write only the minimum values. 2 and 2, minimum is 2. 2 and 3, minimum 2. 2 and 4, again 2. 3 and 2, minimum 2. 3 and 3, 3. 3 and 4, 3. 4 and 2, 2. 4 and 3, 3. 4 and 4, 4. So this is the chart related to A minimum B. Now, you can observe that all the entries in the table are members of the set. See, all the elements you have written in the chart are members of the same set. Therefore, this is clearly binary operation. Definition is, if you take any two elements, the product should be there in the same set. Yes, clearly elements are in the same chart. Therefore, since elements in the chart are the members of the set, A star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Next, whether the binary operation star is commutative, A star B equal to B star A. It is difficult to verify for each and every element of this. Better method is just draw a diagonal here, principal diagonal. If the elements are symmetric, symmetric means the number lying to the right side at the same distance to the left also, same element should be there, symmetric. If you fold the sheet, you must get the same numbers. So clearly here the numbers are symmetric. See, all the numbers to the right hand side are in the same distance, numbers to the left side. Therefore, numbers given in the chart are symmetric. Therefore, commutative property said, since elements in the chart are symmetric about the principal diagonal. Actually, there are two diagonals. Principal diagonal. Star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next one is, given the chart, see, problem number 3 is, chart is given. Consider binary operation chart is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Elements given are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Now question is, find 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. First one is, find the value of this. 2 star 3 star 4 equal to, first write 2 star 3. 2 star 3 is 1. 2 star 3 is 1. Star 4. Again find 1 star 4. 1 star 4. 1. Next one is 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star, let me write a 3 star 4. It is 1. 2 star 1 is, clearly they are equal. See, 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4 are equal. Next, find the next one, 2 star 3 star 4 star. This one can also be calculated. First obtain the 2 star 3, 4 star 5, then combine once again. Let us continue the class with some more examples. Right? Thank you.